In this video, we will be going over the installation of the Activity Organizer Grid. The 2x4 foot wall grid can easily be mounted vertically or horizontally along the wall at any height. For installation, you will need a drill, 5/16 inch drill bit, Phillips driver, pencil, stud finder, tape measure, and level. Using the level and pencil, draw a level line at the preferred height for the top of grid. With a stud finder and pencil, mark the center of each stud along the level line. Attach the mounting clips on the grid by opening and pinching the clip onto the grid wire. Place grid against the wall. Whether hanging the grid vertically or horizontally, the grid's horizontal wires should be facing out away from the wall. Mounting clips should be evenly spaced and aligned with as many stud marks as possible. At a minimum, the mounting clips should align with 2 studs. If only one stud is available, position the center of the grid at that stud. Install the mounting clips into the studs by driving the stud screw through the clip to secure the grid to the wall. When clip position does not align with the stud, drill a hole using a 5/16 inch drill bit. Then insert the anchor into the hole and secure it by driving the screw through the clip into the anchor. To install accessories onto the grid, align the top of the bracket with the horizontal grid wire and pull the bracket down, snapping it into place on the bottom grid wire. The Activity Organizer Grid system creates easily adjustable space-saving storage.